can't fuck with no regular bitches, got it back in my bag again. Diamonds dripping on a young nigga, she don't wanna walk past fast again. Louboutins, I'm bloody stepping on them out in Cali, I didn't bring the bag back. Run it up and we just smash that. Hunters dancing on me, I just stash that. Gucci, Louis, Saint Laurent, checking with the fur, she like high fashion. Came from nothing, we ain't average.
Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today, as you can see, this is my full face look. And if you want to learn how to achieve this, or if you just want to watch, yeah, hope you guys like it. You guys like what it's giving. I'm feeling very grown. I'm feeling very, where's my drinks? Where's my purse? Where's my purse? Very that, you know. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Put your peoples on everything, okay? Keep on watching. Now we got the eyebrows done. Looking so cute.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
I Love Revolution Chocolate Orange Palette. Doesn't have a top because I lost it. To use this orange right here. It's a real fluffy brush, as you can see. It's a Sephora brush, and we're out of here. I'll keep this brow thing clean. When the color mixes into that bone, then it doesn't give you that illusion that your brow, like your brows or your eyes is like. And then add a little bit more. Okay, use this pink. What I did was put the pink on the outside. Pink on. Now y'all see, like, it's like a sunrise type looking vibe. Everybody like, no, no, that ain't it. Anastasia Beverly Hills. I was gonna show y'all because I know my sister's gonna watch this and she's gonna be like, what the hell happened to the palette I gave you? Me, I love this palette. It broke. But I'm taking very good care of it now. I love you. So this is Starburst. Okay, there you go. Starburst right here. It's like a pinkish champagne color. I'm gonna use this flat brush. This one. Okay, done. This already has some brown on it, but F it, because we're gonna use brown some more. So we're just gonna use whatever's on this. We're done with that. Who said what? Oh, okay, no, okay, let's get it together. Let's get it together. Highlight right here. Put it right under that brow bone. I told y'all to keep clean. Now we looking cute. Now go wash your damn hands. Okay, so I washed my face. I put a little bit of water on top of it. Guess what I found? Finally, right? Like, you're too late, but we'll still use you for the party. Okay? Nivea cream. I'm gonna use the Chanel primer. It's Base Lumiere Universal. That's what it's called. Multi-use illuminating base. I swear it makes me look so much more like glowy. Last primer, I promise. This is the Smashbox, the original photo finish smooth and blur primer. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Milani Conceal Plus Correct 05A Natural Beige. Okay. And I'm gonna mix it. This is the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Matte Ambition Tan Cool 1, which is FS 300. So I'm mixing both of this. This is the darker one. That's Full Spectrum CoverGirl. And then the Milani is the lighter one. I mix everything. Okay, now I'm gonna take the beauty blender and pat it in. e.l.f. Camel Same tool we was using earlier. I ain't forget about you, LA Girl Pro Conceal. I used the concealer too. This Sephora brush that also came in the set. And kind of like press it down on it. I'm not moving it anywhere, I'm just pressing it down. And then now I'm gonna press it or move it up a little bit. Like smush it up. See how cute we looking? We looking like, oh, was you supposed to come? I ain't know. Oh, you was gonna be at that party? Nobody told me. Like, you looking real fresh, real cute. Now we got that concealer we been had there. I mixed it together. Like I told you, this goes a long way, so I'm gonna put a little bit. Like, do y'all see that coverage? Now this is the excess, not the excess, this is the remainder. I just put a little bit of it so that it's already some product on it and it doesn't just pick up all the product and dip with it. And then blend up the concealer because you want it to look like, instead of like, I feel like you can see it's like a thing here, so I'm gonna use the side of it and just kind of. This is the airspun powder. I know y'all know airspun powder. I'm gonna add some. Now we're gonna take a little bit. It looks like a lot, but we're gonna pat it out. Mercier. This is called the Tress Chic palette. It has bronzer, blush, and highlighter. We're gonna use this contour shade and we're gonna use this blush. I always like using this one, but we're gonna use both, cause why not? Okay, so we put too much on this side, so I'm gonna show you how to do it so it doesn't look too much. A clean brush. Okay, this is the Elizabeth Arden brush. I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara to the lashes. And this is the Clinique High Impact Lash Elevating Mascara. So this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Finny Matte on lashes. Okay, we're gonna use the Laura Mercier highlight. You see it. This is highlight, this is highlight, this is highlight. The highlighting brush, well, it's a flat brush that I use. I'm thinking more of the champagne. There I go with the champagne color again. Oh my god. But yeah. Glow kit. We're gonna use that gumdrop. Oh my god, Starburst, I mean, it's up here. So we're gonna use gumdrop too, because that thing just keeps on coming in my hand. If you remember, we used this pink, we used this orange, and we used this brown. So we're going to go in. Let's start this. We're gonna use the pink first. Elizabeth Arden eye pencil, and we're going to is the same color. I'm gonna use the Sephora Rouge Cream Lip Stain. Just like that. As you can see. Let me put on something cute so y'all can really. This Adidas Sports Bra is not doing it for y'all. I know. Yeah, it's cute. But let me give y'all a little up close before I put it on. This is where I'm gonna put the slow motion video.
Around with extendos, 30 clip, I extendos. Double up, let's extendo. 60 pop up like a pimple. What now? Let's spin more. Spin blocks, shell stand in the tube socks. Charged up like dual shocks. Weight spinning on whose block? I'm getting money. How about a Visa Moon Bucky? Don't come outside when it's sunny. Hold on, heavy on it. Yeah, I'm heavy on this grip shit.
And then again, we gotta spray. Setting spray. Okay guys, now this is the finished product. I try to do neutral lips. This is my go-to. Like, I love neutral lips. Lashes, some contour. You guys like it? You guys like it? I think it's so cute. Let me know what y'all think in the comment bar. Let me know what else y'all want to see. Let me know if y'all love it. Guys, until next time. Hope you guys loved it. Oh, I promise y'all gonna see my Chi-Chi. So y'all gonna see him real quick. Well, not the whole time. He had left for a little bit. Okay, he acting stuck up right now. Say hi. Look, he like, who ya? You like my makeup?
Nope.
Yeah, okay. He don't know makeup. What he know? Bye, guys. And keep on watching. I'll get better with the scheduling. Bye. Oh. No, let me stop. Bye.